Hi everyone, we are into the month of August, and August brings along with it a mixed bag, wherein we have Saturn going retrograde, which tells you to pull the reins and be a little bit more disciplined. Mars plays an impact on your temperaments, but Venus brings in surprises of happiness and sprinkles some love on all your relationships. So we look at the first zodiac sign, and that's for you, Aries. Now, for you, Aries, the month starts on a little bit of a slow note, okay, but then it picks up pace in the second half of the month wherein you see your profit and gains playing up. So now for this month itself, okay, it's all your hard work that matters and everything that you put in. So start on a good note, okay, work very hard this month because the first half asks for hard work, and that hard work brings your profits and gains in the second half of the month. Right now, these profit and gains is something that you would need to hold well and to plan well, because it has a direct relationship onto your finances. So these profits and gains, basically you need to plan, do investments this month. Now I would say do investments which are long term, which are like 5 years, 10 years down the line, bringing you those kind of profits. Balance your finances well, plan your finances well, and look at future investments this month from the financial point of view. Your career even gives you a surprise job opportunity coming your way. But now this job opportunity may call for travel, it may be a distant away, and it may even call for relocation. So look at the pros, look at the cons, do your planning well, and see how does it work in your favor before you jump into any decisions. So think well and plan well before you make those kind of decisions. From the health perspective, yes, your health is good, it's pretty stable this month. You may just face small little issues with small injuries, small scratches, so be careful whilst you're traveling. Some small skin infections, people having old health issues or having lifestyle issues, those are the kind of small little things which will play up. So keep focus on that. Get your regular health checkups done as well this month. And from the family perspective too, it is pretty peaceful. You do take your time for family time, take your time for your family as well. Health is good. And yes, as a remedy for you this month, you need to do some donations for poor people, for sick people. So go around helping and doing some good this month. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. I'm Sharon S. Monija with Avenues, and if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store.